Yeah. Yeah, okay, sure, no problem. I guess I'll still have a whole week. Okay. Alright, no, I'm just a little busy now. Okay. Alright. Okay, no problem. Alright, bye.
Yes, I hear you. Yep. Okay. So we'll cash the light bulbs later. Yep. I gotta go. I have people here. Gotta go. Bye.
Where is it?
You want to define it?
Where is it?
Why are you screaming? What's it?
Where is the chametz?
Don't know.
Don't know.
No clue.
No clue.
No idea.
No idea.
Never saw it.
Never.
Never happened.
Never happened.
Nothing doing.
Not.
Gunished.
Gunished.
Zero.
Zero.
Zilcho.
Zilcho.
That's right. Nada. And I'll have you know that I know people who know people. And I have 3 PBA cards in my pocket. Not 1, 3.
We have our ways of making you talk.
Mm-hmm. You do that.
I will ask you one more time.
Very hungry, actually. Have something to eat?
Where is it?
Don't know.
Where?
Whew! I think I'm allergic to feathers.
Where is it?
All right, I'll tell you.
Where-
Take that thing away from me.
Where is it?
I sold it. Take it away. I sold it. I sold it to Schwartz from Williamsburg. He eventually sold it to his brother-in-law's, uncle's cat, sister's, nephew's dog or something. Eventually, by the time Yom Tov starts, it'll be sold to a guy.
Oh, you sold it?
Yeah!
Okay.
What's going on here?
Good.
Nothing.
Heel gespijzig.
By the way, did you ever get that life insurance policy?
Oh,
Lach hem op.